Thank you for choosing Rosie by VitalCare. Your Rosie watch connects to VitalCare's 24/7 monitored personal alarm service. So let's set up your device and get you connected. The Rosie personal alarm box includes your Rosie Start Guide, Rosie watch, USB charger, and a charging cable. Your watch face comes packed with 2 protective film layers. Please remove these. To turn on the watch, press and hold the button on the side for 3 seconds and release. The watch will take a few seconds to turn on. Once on, the watch will display the time, date, battery level, and signal strength. If the battery indicator shows a number less than 25%, the battery is low and needs to be charged. To charge the watch, ensure that the USB charger is plugged in and that the power is on. Connect the magnetic charging cable to the back of the watch. The magnet will push away if it is being connected incorrectly. It is correctly attached when it snaps into place. When the watch is charging, you will see the lightning bolt symbol over the battery status bar, along with the word charging under the time display. The watch can be used to call Rosie while charging. The watch face display will time out after 30 seconds. To wake up the screen, press and immediately release the button on the side of the watch. You can call Rosie for help at any time of the day or night. To call Rosie, press and hold the button on the side of your watch for 3 seconds. You will hear a beeping sound. This means you are being connected with your Rosie assistant. The Rosie operator will determine your support needs and send help immediately. We connect emergency services if required. If you need to cancel a call, simply hit the cancel button on the watch's touchscreen. Please call Rosie via the watch to complete your initial onboarding. Once you are connected, inform your assistant that this is an onboarding call. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your Rosie service. If you need help getting started, please call us on 1800 476 743.